Let's clarify what the Epstein Files actually means. There is no single document called the Epstein Files. The term refers to thousands of pages of court filings, exhibits, depositions, and records from multiple cases involving Jeffrey Epstein, Ghislaine Maxwell, and his victims. These materials were released over time through court orders. 4 core legal areas produce these files. First, the Florida criminal case from 2005 to 2008. After an investigation for sexual abuse of minors, Epstein entered a non-prosecution agreement with federal prosecutors. This agreement controversially protected him and unnamed potential co-conspirators from federal charges. Second, the federal arrest in 2019. Epstein was charged in New York with sex trafficking of minors and conspiracy. He pleaded not guilty but died in federal custody before his trial. The criminal case against him was dismissed. Third, the Ghislaine Maxwell criminal case. In 2021, a jury found her guilty of sex trafficking and other charges for assisting Epstein. She was sentenced to 20 years in federal prison. Fourth, hundreds of civil lawsuits filed by victims against Epstein's estate and Maxwell. These cases produced a vast number of documents like depositions, emails, and flight logs, which make up a large portion of what the public calls the Epstein Files. So, what do these documents factually show? Multiple courts have legally established that Epstein ran a sex trafficking operation and that Maxwell assisted in recruiting and grooming minors. This is legally proven. The documents also show Epstein had a large social network, including politicians and celebrities. However, courts have repeatedly stated that being named in a document or flight log does not mean criminal wrongdoing. Association alone is not evidence of a crime. Crucially, there is no official client list. No court has released a document labeled or proven to be a comprehensive roster of clients. The files also reveal evidence of prosecutorial failures, as the original 2008 non-prosecution agreement was later ruled to have violated victims' rights. It's also important to understand what the files do not prove. They do not contain verified evidence of murders or government-run blackmail operations. The bottom line is this: the Epstein Files are court-generated records showing a long-running sex trafficking operation, the verified involvement of Epstein and Maxwell, and serious failures by prosecutors. They provide documentation of crimes and institutional breakdowns, not proof of a vast hidden cabal.